Have you ever wondered why, no matter how much protein you eat or how many workouts you push through, your muscles just don't seem to grow, especially as you get older? Here's the shocking truth. Even if you train every single day for the next 100 days, eat all your protein, and take your supplements, you still won't build strong muscle if you're missing the critical nighttime vitamins. Forget what you've been told about magnesium being the key. Tonight, I'll reveal two vitamins that work far better than magnesium for building muscle while you sleep. And stick around because I'll also expose 3 common supplements you must never take at night if you want your body to recover and grow. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to Holic, where we bring seniors the latest science-backed health and nutrition tips. Now, let's get started. Vitamin number 1, D3. The muscle repair trigger. When you take vitamin D3 before bed, something incredible happens overnight. Vitamin D activates special receptors in your muscle cells that tell your body to pull in more calcium and phosphorus, the very minerals needed for muscle contraction and repair. Here's the kicker. Vitamin D also boosts testosterone production while you sleep. Testosterone is the hormone that helps your body actually use the protein you ate during the day to rebuild stronger muscle tissue. Without vitamin D, this repair process slows down by as much as 60%. That's why many seniors who exercise and eat well still lose strength. In one Harvard study, seniors who supplemented vitamin D gained almost 3 pounds of muscle in just 8 months, compared to less than half a pound in the control group. Ancient Viking warriors even consumed cod liver oil during long, dark winters for strength, a natural source of vitamin D today. You can do the same. Take 2,000 to 4,000 IU of vitamin D3 with your evening meal, preferably one that includes healthy fats. Or enjoy foods like salmon, mushrooms, and fortified milk before bed. These give your muscles the fuel they need to repair while you sleep. Vitamin number 2, zinc, the recovery accelerator. Now, vitamin D is powerful, but it won't work on its own. The real magic happens when you pair it with zinc. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormones, the very hormones that drive muscle repair. But here's what most people don't realize: those hormones can't function without zinc. Zinc powers over 300 enzymes that rebuild tissue and transport amino acids into your muscles while you rest. Without it, muscle recovery can slow by up to 60%. And shockingly, nearly half of all seniors are deficient in zinc. In a University of Michigan study, zinc-deficient seniors who supplemented with just 20 milligrams daily improved protein synthesis by 34% and recovered from exercise 40% faster. So here's what to do. Take 15 to 30 milligrams of zinc daily, but not right at bedtime. Instead, take it a couple of hours before sleep with a full glass of water. This ensures maximum absorption without interfering with your rest. The 3 supplements you must avoid at night. Now, here's the part most seniors get wrong. You could take vitamin D and zinc faithfully, but if you're also taking these 3 supplements at night, you're actually sabotaging your muscle growth. Be complex. These vitamins stimulate your nervous system and metabolism. At night, that means less deep sleep and more cortisol, the stress hormone that breaks down muscle. Always take B vitamins in the morning. Vitamin C. Yes, it's good for immunity, but taken at night it blunts the mild stress signals your muscles need to trigger repair. It also makes it harder to fall into deep sleep. Take it in the morning instead. Caffeine in any form, whether from coffee, tea, or hidden inside supplements, caffeine raises cortisol and blocks deep sleep. A 2020 study found older adults who had caffeine within 6 hours of bedtime lost 28% more lean muscle than caffeine-free seniors. Keep all caffeine strictly before noon. So here's the bottom line. Take vitamin D3 with dinner. Take zinc in the evening, but not right at bedtime. And avoid B-complex, vitamin C, and caffeine at night. Do this and you'll give your body the perfect environment to rebuild muscle while you sleep. Which of these have you been unknowingly taking at the wrong time? Drop a comment below. I read every one of them and love hearing your stories. See you in the next one. right here on Holic.